So in this video, you'll learn how to use the Retouch tool on CapCut. So the first step is to add your photo to your timeline. And to do that, you want to select New Project, then you want to choose your image, and then tap on Add. Once you've added the image onto your timeline, you then want to tap on it to select it. Then you want to swipe through the different options until you get to Retouch. Select that. From here, you want to choose what you want to retouch, whether it's the face or the body. So simply select either option. Let's start with the face. And then from here, you can see the faces have already been detected on the image. So if they haven't already, then CapCut will ask you for permission to do that, and you just want to confirm it so that you can actually be able to customize everything. And then from here, you then want to start retouching it. So for example, you have the face, you can now reshape it. You can add makeup if you want to, so you can have different options for makeup, all sorts of things. You also have the option of customizing how the makeup looks like and the intensity of the makeup as well. So you can have it set to 0 or you can increase it to the end. It's completely up to you. And then from here, if you have multiple people in the photo, then you can zoom in on one exact face. And you'll notice that that face that's highlighted in blue is the face that you're currently working on. So for example, this one, I can customize that makeup to my liking. And you also have manual options, so you can change how the face looks like. And if you have any presets created, you can customize them or you can choose them from here. So now it's up to you to decide how you want to customize it to your liking. Once you've done that, you can then just tap on the back button to go back and start customizing the body. If you find that you want to use the exact same makeup or customizations on every other face that's in the photo, then you can tap on Apply to All. And then all the customizations you did on that one face will be applied to the other faces as well. Now it's time for you to go back. So tap on this check mark, select Body, and then you can now start customizing from here. Again, just follow the exact same rules as before. So then once you're finished with your customizations, you then want to just tap on this check mark. If you've decided to apply to all, just select Apply to All, and then select like that. And now every single change that you applied you'll be able to see on your image. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.